Hello, gorgeous and beautiful ladies. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope so. You all are fine and good. So today I am back again. Another amazing and beautiful collection. So in this video, I'm going to share with you awesome collection, some beautiful designs of all over print, floral printed styles, summer wear, chiffon top blouse design ideas for ladies and girls. So it's more than 80 plus design ideas of chiffon fabric, top shirt and blouse design ideas today I have collected for you in this video. So must watch this video till the end. If you are looking for latest collection, latest design ideas of floral printed styles, chiffon fabric, top shirt design ideas, so this video is absolutely going to be helpful for you and very useful for you. Don't skip any idea, don't skip any design. Different colors, different styles, different designs, amazing colors combinations, amazing stitching ideas of top shirts, blouse design for ladies and girls. If you love to wear jeans, skirts, if you love to wear floral printed styles, dresses, so try out these top shirt and blouse designs with skirts and jeans that are looking so stylish and stunning. You may carry these styles of top shirts, blouses for your party wears, for your casual wears, for your formal wears. Even if you are working ladies or you are students, college going, university going girls, so you may carry these styles of top shirts, blouses with jeans. I love all these designs of top shirts and blouses, and I hope so that you will love these too. Look at these prints, look at these styles, neck designs, sleeve designs. Best collection for your summer wears. I hope so this video is going to be helpful for you. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles, so dear ladies and girls, please do support me by sharing my video. I will be very thankful to you for your kind appreciation. I will be very thankful to you for your sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. If you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notification of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I try my best to make videos on daily basis. So for more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, please do visit on my channel and check the other collection. I have already uploaded a huge collection on my channel. So on my channel you will be find out top shirt designs, blouse designs, party wear dress design ideas, mother of the bride dress design ideas, office wear, formal wear, casual wear dresses for ladies and girls, maxi style dresses, frock style dresses, shoes collections, bags collections, crochet made designing ideas for ladies and girls. So a lot of new ideas you will be find out on my channel on daily basis. So please visit on my channel and check the other collection, watch other videos. I hope so those videos will also be useful and helpful for you, and you will get new ideas and new designs of trending fashions. I will be very thankful to you dear ladies. I am very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So please keep supporting me, keep sharing my video and keep visiting on my channel. So as you can see, different and amazing styles of top shirt designs. These are most demanding and trending collection these days for summer wears. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves. Goodbye. Enjoy my video and must watch video till the end. Goodbye.